In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices in Outlook when you are already signed in on the Outlook Windows desktop. Whether you've logged in on a shared computer or you've simply forgotten to log out on a different device, these steps will guide you through ensuring your account's security by signing out from all devices simultaneously. Let's get started. First, you will need to open your Outlook dashboard. Once you're in, look for the email account you want to log out from. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all your connected email accounts. Find the one you're interested in and hover your cursor over the email name. As you do that, you should see 3 little dots appear, which is indicative of more options being available to you. These dots are crucial because they will lead us to the settings we need. Click on them and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, you want to select Manage Account. This selection will transition you away from the main dashboard and bring you into a dedicated settings area focused on your account specifics. Now, once you're directed to the settings under Your Accounts, you'll see the email details that you initially hovered over. Beside your selected email, there will be a button labeled Manage. Clicking on this will open up further options specific to how your email account is handled across various devices. As you scroll a bit through the settings, you'll encounter an option labeled Remove. This is what we are looking for, and it holds the key to logging out of all devices. When you click Remove, a prompt will pop up offering you 2 distinct choices. You can choose to remove your account from all devices or just the device you are currently using. If your aim is to ensure that your email is securely logged out everywhere, you should select Removal from all devices. This will effectively sign you out from every place your account is active, except for necessary background services if any are needed by Microsoft. It's a powerful way to safeguard your information, particularly if your account was accidentally left open on multiple shared or public computers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully logged out your Outlook account from all devices. It's a great habit to periodically check your devices and ensure your accounts are secure, especially if you frequently switch between different computers or share devices with others. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need additional assistance with Outlook or any other software, feel free to browse other videos on our channel. Stay safe and organized with your email accounts, and thanks for watching.